Imagine waking up to the sound of waves instead of an alarm. You open your laptop, sip your coffee, and in just a couple of hours, your work is done. The rest of the day is yours. Sounds like a dream? Thanks to AI, this could be your reality. AI isn't just for tech experts. It's a powerful tool that anyone can use to escape the 9-to-5 grind and create a life of freedom. Today, we'll explore how AI can help you build multiple income streams, automate tasks, and work less while earning more. This isn't about side hustles, it's about redefining work itself. For decades, success meant long hours at the office, climbing the corporate ladder, and trading time for money. But what if you could design your life around your passions, interests, and schedule, while still earning more than you did in a traditional job? The goal is to leverage AI to completely transform how you work. AI allows us to automate boring tasks, freeing up time for what truly matters. It's about creating a life where work serves your dreams, not the other way around. Imagine a scenario where AI acts as your personal team, handling tasks that used to eat up your day. From content creation and social media management to customer service and financial tracking, AI can take over, allowing you to focus on the bigger picture. Let's dive into how you can build a sustainable income using AI without any investment, just a Wi-Fi connection and creativity. These ideas don't require a penny to start, yet they can generate significant income. First, Instagram theme pages. Start a theme-based Instagram page on a niche you're passionate about, whether it's travel, fitness, or memes. Use AI tools like Canva or Jasper to create visuals and captions. As your following grows, monetize through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or by selling digital products. Automate content scheduling and engagement with AI tools like Later or Hootsuite. Next, Etsy digital product stores. Open an Etsy store to sell digital products like printables, ebooks, or design templates. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to generate content ideas, Midjourney for creating art, and Canva for designing your products. With no inventory or shipping, your overhead is zero, and you can sell the same product repeatedly. YouTube automation channels. Create a YouTube channel with AI-generated content on niche topics like top 10 lists or motivational quotes. Use tools like Pictory or Lumen 5 to create videos from text and AI voices for narration. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing as your channel grows. AI-powered freelancing. Offer services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr that leverage AI tools to deliver high-quality work quickly, like AI-driven content writing, graphic design, or video editing. Tools like Jasper, DALL-E, and Descript let you take on multiple clients with minimal effort. AI-enhanced blogging. Start a blog on a topic you love and use AI for content creation, SEO, and social media promotion. Tools like Surfer SEO can optimize your content, while Jasper helps produce posts quickly. Monetize through ads, affiliate marketing, or digital products, all while AI does the heavy lifting. Online coaching and consulting. Use AI to set up an online coaching or consulting business. Automate scheduling with Calendly and create courses with Teachable. AI can help you reach clients through targeted marketing, and since coaching is knowledge-based, there's no inventory, just your expertise and AI. These are just a few examples of how AI can create multiple income streams with no upfront investment. These businesses are scalable and manageable from anywhere with a laptop and Wi-Fi. The freedom that comes with this new work approach is life-changing. With AI handling the heavy lifting, what used to take a full day now takes just a couple of hours. This opens up endless possibilities, whether it's traveling, spending more time with loved ones, or enjoying life without the 9-to-5 stress. Picture yourself starting your day on a beach in Bali, working for a couple of hours, and then spending the rest of the day exploring or relaxing. Or perhaps working from a mountain cabin, taking breaks to hike or ski. This is the art of working fewer hours and living more fully, all thanks to AI. We've been conditioned to believe that life without a traditional job is risky, even impossible. But AI is changing that narrative. You can now design a life where your income isn't tied to a job title or paycheck, it's tied to the value you create and the systems you automate. AI can manage entire aspects of a business, meaning you don't need to be present 24/7 to keep it running. You can earn money while you sleep, vacation, or pursue your passions. This is about reclaiming your time. With AI, work is something you do when you choose, not because you have to. It's a shift from working to live, to living the life you've always dreamed of. Look at real-world examples of people who've used AI to break free from the traditional work model. They've built businesses that run themselves, allowing them to live life on their terms. The future of work is here, and it's all about freedom. Freedom to choose when, where, and how you work. Freedom to design a life that aligns with your values and goals. And AI is the key to unlocking that freedom. So, what's stopping you? The tools are available, and the opportunities are endless. It's time to break free from the traditional work model and start building the life you've always dreamed of. AI is your ticket to that future. It's not just about working less, it's about living more. Whether you're starting a new business, automating an existing one, or simply creating more time for what you love, AI can make it happen.